automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH-28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday and Saturday between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. When there is a threat of severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood watches, and for severe weather warnings affecting the following counties in the KIH-54 listening area: Bidd, Blunt, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, St. Clair, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device. We now return to our normal programming. This warning alarm tone will be accurate for watches, warnings, and select statements affecting the specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm to hold area at any location, especially at greater distance from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming. And now a look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. Rest of today, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. For tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday. Winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. With highs in the mid-80s. Mostly cloudy, chance of showers and thunderstorms. For Thursday night, lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Echo. Stop.
Thursday.
Echo. Stop.
Partly sunny. Highs in the morning. A chance of showers in the upper 80s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Highs in of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. The test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area.
Central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We're in danger of weather situations. These specially built radios are automatically activated to warn locations across central Minnesota. These radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens your warning alarm will work right now. Testing first warning until the next weather day. The warning alarm will be Wednesday when the weather
Severe weather threatens the area near the until the next weather is over. Warnings and statements for those existing in southern Minnesota and western Minnesota and west. This includes the test of warnings to others will now return to normal programming.
What? The Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern St. Croix County until 9:45 p.m. At 9:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Richmond, or 19 miles north of River Falls, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glenwood City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties: located. Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pierce County, southwestern Dunn County, southeastern St. Croix County until 11 p.m. At 10:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodville, or 14 miles east of River, Falls, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Around 10:30 p.m. Then around 10:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Menominee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Dunn, Pierce, and St. Croix. Moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Oh God,
The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mondovi around 12:05 a.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include
Turn the light on.
Mondovi Airfield, Bloomington, the Big Swamp area, and Lookout. For your protection, move to an interior room on the floor of a building. Annual. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following counties. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45. Radio WXT41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service office in Lacrosse, Wisconsin.
here I was just trying to get some sleep,
Hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota
so the radio decided to activate.
listening area. A severe thunderstorm
But that's all right.
remains in effect until 12:45 a.m. Thursday for the. Repeating, a severe